Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Nextbase 622GW Dash Cam. The Nextbase 622GW offers a range of features that matter most, including capturing detailed footage in 4K in both bright and low light conditions, and with an impressive night vision mode for clarity after dark. Its 3-inch touchscreen has an intuitive interface, and the magnetic mount is easy to use and easily my favorite. The kit comes with a 128GB SD card and is upgradable by adding additional cameras to guard the interior or the rear of a vehicle, although an accessory hardware kit is required. An SOS mode will automatically call and send GPS coordinates to emergency personnel after an accident even if the driver is unresponsive, and a built-in battery powers the camera if the car's battery dies. In terms of size, if that is a factor in your vehicle, the 622GW is one of the larger options included here. Pros. Pro. Outstanding video quality in all conditions. Pro. Easy and secure mounting. Pro. Straightforward to operate. Cons. Con. Built-in battery quickly discharges if left in the sun. Key specs. Resolution 4K UHD. Field of view 140 degrees. Display 3 inches, touchscreen. Storage microSD card, not included. GPS yes. Companion app yes. Backup power battery. Extras SOS feature, parking mode, optional rear camera available. Mount magnetic. Number 2. 70mm 500. The 70mm 500 dashcam won't bust your budget and doesn't skimp on features. It records in 1944p quality. 1944 is better resolution than 1080p, but doesn't take up as much storage as 4K. The P stands for progressive scan, a technique of loading pixels onto the screen to minimize flickering. The camera has a 170-degree field of view, but some reviewers and users report a slight fisheye effect due to the wide-angle lens. The system also has a 2.4-inch display, a companion app, HDR full-color night vision, and built-in GPS to log real-time speed and location. There are even driver assist alerts, for lane departure, forward collision warning, and pedestrian and cyclist detection. The dashcam comes with 128GB of built-in storage, but no memory card slot, which means you won't be able to upgrade to a larger capacity. Pros. Pro. Low cost with lots of features. Pro. Wide-angle lens. Pro. Built-in driver assists. Cons. Con. Slight fisheye effect. Con. Memory isn't upgradable. Key specs. Resolution 1944p. Field of view 170 degrees. Display 2.4 inches. Storage 128GB built-in. GPS yes. Companion app yes. Backup power battery. Extras windshield. Mount driver assists, HDR full-color night vision. Number 3. Vantrue N4 Pro 3. With both a forward and rear-facing camera to monitor the interior of a car, this dashcam is ideal for rideshare drivers or for anyone who wants to keep an eye on their passengers. It records footage in 4K resolution using the latest Sony Starvis 2 imaging technology to flesh out finer details, even in the dark. The rear-facing camera rotates 360 degrees and can be set to record at 1080p to conserve memory. The cabin cameras for infrared LEDs can capture passengers even in total darkness. Wi-Fi connectivity transmits video to the companion app or for sharing on social media. Location and speed are logged by built-in GPS, and voice commands coupled with a 3.19-inch display make the N4 Pro simple to use. With an optional hardware kit, a parking mode can record 10 seconds before and 30 seconds after a trigger. Pros. Pro. Dual cameras. Pro. Infrared LEDs capture occupants at night. Pro. Sony Starvis 2 imaging technology. Cons. Key specs. Resolution 4K UHD, main camera, FHD 1080p, rear/interior camera. Field of view 155 degrees. Display 3 inches. With buttons. Storage microSD card, not included. GPS yes. Companion app yes. Backup power capacitor. Mount adhesive, magnetic. Extras Sony Starvis 2 imaging technology, voice control, parking mode. Number 4. 70mm A800S. The 70mm A800S, the most affordable option here, captures crisp 4K video even in low lighting and features front and rear cameras, built-in GPS, and driver assist warnings. You can easily review videos and adjust settings using its 3-inch screen and add a parking mode with an optional hardware kit. Its low price, however, has downsides. Many reviews cite that the 70mm's companion app has connectivity and UI issues whether on iOS and Android, and that the camera can become unstable and below freezing temperatures, so this might not be the dashcam for you if you live in an area typically hit hard with winter weather. But the A800's ease of use and high-resolution video at a reasonable price make it a solid option if you're looking for a dashcam and want to spend a minimal amount. Pros. Pro. 4K video quality. Pro. Built-in GPS. Pro. Gives lane departure and front collision warnings. Cons. Con. Glitchy app. Con. Not suited for freezing temperatures. Key specs. Resolution 4K UHD. Field of view 140 degrees. Display 3 inches. Button input. Storage microSD card, not included. GPS yes. Companion app yes. Backup power 14 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Extras battery. Mount adhesive. Extras parking mode, driver assist, rear camera. Number 5. Rove R2-4K Pro. The Rove R2-4K captures stunning video in UHD 4K at either 30 or 60 frames per second, and delivers clear, crisp recording in all lighting conditions, even at nighttime. The R2-4K doesn't come with a microSD card, but when connected to a smartphone via Wi-Fi, users can download, view, and share video on social media or via a messaging app using the Rove Dashcam app. The app is handy for more easily tweaking the dashcam settings instead of on the smallish 2.4-inch display, and the app can also download free over-the-air firmware updates for the unit. Built-in GPS records a vehicle's speed and location, and a parking mode that requires hardwiring records time-lapse video and detects motion and collision. If it detects an event, the dashcam records a 1-minute video, saves it, and delivers a voice alert the next time the car is started. Pros. Pro. Superb display. Pro. Share video on social media or messaging apps. Pro. Free downloadable firmware updates. Pro. Parking mode provides voice alerts, requires hardwiring. Cons. Con. SD card not included. Con. Suction cup mount. Key specs. Resolution 4K UHD. Field of view 150 degrees. Display 2.4 inches. Storage 16 GB microSD card, not included. GPS yes. Companion app yes. Backup power capacitor. Mount suction cup. Extras social media sharing and messaging, parking mode.